Number 1. The 1963 Buick Riviera, priced at $10,500, is in well-maintained condition. The exterior has been painted in metallic red, still glossy, with a rust-free body. The owner provides some new components, including a QA1 suspension system, front disc brake inversion, master cylinder, and brake booster, all brand new in boxes. New weather stripping has also been installed, ensuring the car is leak-free and weather-resistant. Radial tires add a retro touch. The interior features black leather seats with slight signs of wear in some areas. The dashboard and center console are well preserved, with wood and metal elements adding an elegant feel. Powered by a Chevy 354-bolt main engine, upgraded for better performance. This car is in excellent condition and ready to drive. Number 2. The 1960 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $7,200, has undergone a complete frame-off restoration. Equipped with a powerful 409C engine with dual 4-barrel carburetors and a 4-speed manual transmission, it also features RideTech Air Ride for adjustable ride height. Additional features include disc brakes, power brakes, power steering, and air conditioning for a comfortable ride. The body paint is super glossy, reflecting high restoration quality. It's also fitted with a high-quality audio system. This car has proven its reliability by completing the Power Tour 3 times. Number 3. The 1967 Ford Fairlane, priced at $8,500, is largely original, with clear signs of aging. It's powered by the original 289 Ci Blue V8 engine with rear-wheel drive. The interior's dashboard and steering wheel are in good condition, showcasing a classic look. The trunk is clean with minimal damage. However, there is rust on the lower front fender, which has started to damage the metal. The exterior shows some scratches and small dents, mostly on the sides. Custom rims with new tires were installed last spring, adding a modern touch. The owner offers extra parts, including a front fender, trunk lid, doors, and front seats, available for an affordable price or trade for a pre-1967 car or truck. Number 4. The 1978 Pontiac Firebird Formula Coupe 2D, priced at $8,000, embodies the classic 70s style with an aerodynamic bold body design. The exterior is white with brown accents, reflecting the iconic era's look. Classic design wheels and rectangular taillights enhance the retro feel. The interior features light brown leather seats with vintage character. A wooden dashboard and steering wheel add nostalgic charm, typical of classic American cars. The clean cabin shows good maintenance and is ready for its next trip with only 100,000 miles. This low-mileage car is in excellent condition. Number 5. The 1970 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe 2D, priced at $3,250, is in very well-maintained condition and ready for the road. The frame is clean with upgraded front disc brakes from S10 truck spindles for enhanced braking performance. It's powered by a big block 502 engine paired with modified turbo 400 automatic transmission, including a shift kit, extra clutch pack, and TCI torque converter with a 2,500 RPM stall. The engine has an Edelbrock intake and an 850 CFM double pumper carburetor, along with a custom camshaft and headers optimized for each cylinder. Inside, the car has bucket seats and new carpeting, and the chrome bumper shines after a repaint 2 years ago. It's also equipped with an electric fan and a 2-inch lowered suspension, making this car visually appealing, comfortable, and fun to drive. Number 6. The 1962 Rambler American 400, priced at $8,500, is a rare model in very good condition. The engine has been restored with a new fuel pump and gas tank installed, along with 4 new white wall tires that add a classic touch. The interior is clean and well maintained, still retaining original parts in good shape for its age, with the roof also in good condition. This vehicle is unique and fun to drive, offering a captivating experience for classic car enthusiasts. Number 7. The 1966 Plymouth Valiant 100, priced at $9,000, needs a new home due to the owner's lack of storage space. It's powered by an original 283 Commando V8 engine, with only the radio replaced, though the original is kept in storage. All original trim pieces are also stored in case needed. The well-maintained exterior has shiny blue paint and a clean body. The interior is tidy, with seats and doors in good condition. The engine is well kept in its compartment, and the trunk is spacious, used for additional storage. This car holds antique value and is well cared for by its owner. Number 8. The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air 210 two-door, priced at $5,000, boasts unique low-rider modifications. The roof features custom metal flake paint in vibrant colors and candy, making it highly eye-catching. The well-executed pinstriping and side trim match the roof for a harmonious look. The rest of the body retains its original patina, with the antenna hole filled. The steering wheel is a 1959 Impala model, painted to match the roof. Its reliable 235 engine has been converted to electronic ignition, with a valve cover painted to match the roof. The car has power steering, upgraded front disc brakes, new rear drums and brake lines. The suspension is lowered with drop spindles and coils, along with new shocks, giving it a lowered stance. The front floor is replaced with new carpet, soundproofing, and rear seat belts. The frame, floor, and trunk are in good condition, along with solid glass and doors. It has halogen headlights with yellow high beams and 15-inch S10 steel wheels. This car is a great start for a low-rider with air or hydraulic suspension, or can be left as is to turn heads on the road. Number 9. The 1972 Mercury Montego, priced at $4,500, is well-preserved and offers a classic 60s look. Its body is very clean and rust-free, indicating it an Arizona car. Powered by a 302 engine with automatic transmission, dual exhaust, and hot wire wheels, it provides an authentic driving experience. The interior is tidy, with bucket seats and a center console for added comfort. The metallic blue paint pairs well with the white vinyl roof, adding an elegant touch. The clean trunk includes a spare tire. Overall, this car is a solid cruiser, ready for classic car fans. Number 10. The 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $14,000, has received several repairs and upgrades. It features new tires, a gas tank, and a fuel sender unit installed last spring. Brakes and shocks were updated last fall. The engine, a V8 350, was refreshed with new rings, bearings, and crankshaft and spring. It also has a Stage 3 camshaft, new lifters, and a new oil pump for enhanced performance. The double-bump 2.0 two-cylinder heads have roller rockers, with an MSD ignition system, high-rise intake manifold, and 650 CFM Holley double-pumper carburetor. It also includes Hedman headers and a Flowmaster exhaust for a distinctive sound. The owner is open to considering trades. Number 11. The 1989 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D, priced at $6,500, sports pearl white paint and a modified interior. Powered by a 383-stroker engine with headers and dual exhaust, it produces a loud sound. An aluminum radiator with dual fans, stall converter, and transmission cooler enhances performance, and a durable turbo 400 transmission is installed. The electrical system includes a new battery and master cylinder with LED lights throughout. The frame, floor, and trunk are solid with no patches and are lifted for larger wheels, though it can be returned to standard height. The interior features new speakers and wiring ready for amps and subwoofers, as well as a red digital dashboard. It has power locks and AC, making it ready for both performance and comfort. Number 12. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $13,250, has a very clean and appealing title. Powered by a 390 Ci V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, the car includes the famous tilt-away steering column. Though not fully restored, it feels freshly restored due to its near-perfect exterior and interior condition. The leather interior is nearly flawless, and the body has few imperfections. One unique feature is its rare sunroof, though it has minor issues like a stiff opening mechanism and slight leaking in the rain. The exterior paint has slight imperfections, but overall, the car is highly appealing. The odometer reads 70,000 miles, likely original, and has been garage kept and only used for short trips during the summer since 2000. It has been rust protected annually, making it an ideal choice for collectors today. Number 13. The 1973 Mercury Cougar XR 7 Coupe 2D, priced at $8,000, is a base variant with a 351 Cleveland engine and a functioning convertible top. Active use over the summer shows smooth engine performance. The underbody, including frame and floor, is very clean. Several modifications include a new intake manifold, along with a matching Holley double pumper carburetor. Additional components include long headers, a carburetor rebuild kit, and new valve cover gaskets. The interior seats are from a 1973 Cougar XR7, though minor repairs are needed, such as replacing the front main seal, fixing transmission lines, and updating the ignition system to support the intake and carburetor. All original parts are still available, but the car requires towing for pickup from the location. Number 14. The 1964 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $3,500, is in remarkable condition for its age. It has a shiny blue body with well-maintained chrome accents. The interior features a blue color scheme with comfortable cloth seats, a classic two-tone steering wheel, and a retro-styled instrument panel typical of the 1960s. The car is powered by a 305 engine, and the owner has performed maintenance, including replacing the battery, spark plugs, and changing the oil and coolant. Although the car is in relatively good shape, the owner notes that the carburetor needs replacement, as it has trouble holding fuel. This car is a great choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a road-ready vehicle with minimal additional work. Number 15. The 1955 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $1,700, is a well-worn but still drivable car. There are several rust spots, and the paint has faded across the body, showing signs of prolonged inactivity. The interior is worn, with upholstery showing signs of aging. The engine is a 318 V8, reportedly still functioning well, paired with a recently updated 727 automatic transmission. This hardtop model has had its roof modified, removed, and repainted. It also features Chrysler rally wheels and dual exhaust with 3-inch chrome tips, giving it a distinct sound. While the car runs and drives, a thorough inspection is recommended before any long trips, as it has been sitting for a while. Sold as is without warranty, this car is ideal for beginners wanting a classic car they can both drive and restore.